In a reactive world, emotional control is power. But sometimes, even when everything looks fine, you still feel lost. It's a strange feeling. You are moving, doing things, talking to people, following routines, but inside something feels unclear, not broken, not chaotic, just directionless. The illusion of progress. Sometimes life looks like progress on the outside. You are busy. You are active. You are doing what you are supposed to do. But internally, there is no clarity because movement is not the same as direction. You can move fast and still not know where you are going. The lack of alignment. Feeling lost often comes from misalignment. Your actions don't match your values. Your routine does not match your priorities. Your direction does not match your identity. So, even when things look normal, something feels off because internally there is no alignment. The influence of others. Many people follow paths they did not choose. Expectations from family, society, peers, what you should do, what you are supposed to become, and over time you lose connection with your own direction. You start living based on external guidance instead of internal clarity. The absence of reflection. Another reason people feel lost is lack of reflection. Constant noise, constant activity, constant distraction. No time to think, no time to pause, no time to understand. Without reflection, clarity cannot form, and without clarity, direction feels uncertain. Emotional overload. Sometimes feeling lost comes from too many inputs, too many opinions, too many ideas, too many comparisons, social media, advice, expectations, all of it creates noise, and noise makes it harder to hear your own thoughts. The AME.X perspective. Within the AME.X mindset, feeling lost is not failure. It is a signal, a signal that something needs attention, a signal that alignment is missing, a signal that clarity needs clarity needs to be rebuilt. Instead of avoiding it, you observe it. The reset. Clarity does not come instantly. It comes from slowing down, spending time alone, reducing noise, thinking clearly, asking simple questions. What do I actually want? What matters to me? What feels right for me? These questions create direction. The shift. When you start aligning your actions with your values, the feeling of being lost reduces because now you because now your movement has meaning, not because everything is figured out, but because direction exists. The long term view. No one has everything figured out. Clarity evolves. Direction changes. Understanding deepens. But emotional discipline helps you stay grounded even when things are uncertain. Remember something simple. Feeling lost is not the end. It is the beginning of awareness. And awareness is where direction starts. If you are building emotional control in a reactive world, stay here. This channel is for thinkers. Control your emotions or they will control you.
Feel lost? Feel lost?